If you're wondering how to manage business travel in Navan, you're in the right place. Whether you're managing travel for a small team or a large organization, Navan helps streamline the process, making it easier, faster, and more efficient. Stick around until the end to learn about an exclusive offer that will help you get started with Navan for free. Navan is a powerful software solution designed to take the stress out of business travel. From booking flights and hotels to managing expenses and itineraries, Navan centralizes everything in one platform. The best part? It allows you to maintain control over your travel policies while providing your team with a seamless experience. The platform's user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. With Navan, you don't need to worry about navigating complicated travel systems or manual booking processes. You can book travel quickly by simply entering your desired destination and dates. Navan then presents you with options tailored to your preferences, saving you time and eliminating the guesswork. One of the key features of Navan is its automated policy compliance. Instead of manually checking if every booking follows your company's guidelines, Navan automatically ensures that all bookings meet your travel policies. This saves you the hassle of going back and forth to verify compliance, giving you more time to focus on other aspects of your business. Another great feature is the integration with expense tracking. Navan automatically captures receipts, allowing your team to upload their expenses with just a few clicks. The software also generates detailed reports, so you can stay on top of your company's travel budget without any extra effort. If you're working with a large team, this feature helps keep everything organized and ensures that you're staying within your allocated budgets. For those traveling internationally or to multiple destinations, Navan offers real-time updates on flight status, weather conditions, and other relevant travel information. This feature helps minimize disruptions and ensures that your team stays informed throughout their journey. Navan also gives you visibility into your travel spend, helping you analyze and optimize your travel budget. You can see where money is being spent and identify opportunities for savings, which is essential for keeping your travel program cost-efficient and sustainable. But what really sets Navan apart is its focus on making business travel enjoyable. By streamlining every aspect of the process, the software reduces stress for both travel managers and travelers. The less time spent on logistics, the more your team can focus on business goals. And here's the best part. You can try Navan completely free with our exclusive extended trial offer. Just click the first link in the description below to start your trial today. With Navan, managing business travel becomes easier, more efficient, and cost-effective. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get started with an exclusive free trial. Thanks for watching, and remember to check the link below for your access to Navan's full suite of business travel management tools.